Hi, this is Heather from foodlovinfamily.com, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to take a bag of these tater tots and get them nice and crispy in your air fryer. It's super easy, it takes just a few minutes, and it's great for just a quick meal, side dish, you name it. So grab your aprons and let's get started. So for these air fryer tater tots, I'm just using frozen tater tots. They're completely frozen. And I'm going to pour them in the air fryer basket. It's important not to have them on top of each other because we want the hot air to circulate around them to get them nice and crisp. So keep them in a single layer. I also typically don't spray my basket for tater tots and frozen french fries because they have already been fried in grease. So once they start cooking, that will seep out and you won't need the extra oil in there. So we have our tater tots in our fryer basket and we're going to put them in our air fryer at 400 and we're gonna start with 5 minutes. So we have them frying at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna take them out and flip them over. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna take them out and give them a shake. Now we're gonna put them back in for another 4 to 5 minutes, depending on how crispy you like them.